morning everyone. I am Dr. Komal Singh. I am a consultant infectious disease at Bharati Vidyapeeth Hospital and Research Center, Pune. So today I am going to briefly discuss regarding a deadly disease, that is malaria. So malaria is a parasitic infection which spread by the bite of mosquito. The clinical manifestation which we see with malaria is fever, abdominal pain, there can be nausea, vomiting. Patient may experience some altered sensorium and there can be fits. Last year, there were 1.8 lakh reported cases of malaria with 100 deaths within our country. So, our aim is to prevent this 100 deaths as well as to deliver 0 deaths. So, that is the theme of WHO World Malaria Day, time to deliver 0 malaria cases. At an individual level or community level, what can we do to achieve this goal? So I will provide you with some basic facts and some preventive measures which we can do at our level so that malaria doesn't spread. First of all, use of insecticide treated net. Sleeping under insecticide treated net is one of the most effective measure to reduce the malaria and deaths caused by it. Another thing, whenever you are stepping out of the house, apply insect repellent cream over the exposed area and over your clothing. Cover your body completely, so wear full sleeves, wear full pants whenever you are going out, especially during the morning and evening time, because the mosquito are very active during this time of the day. Also, what we can do is we can also do indoor insecticide spraying. So this measures decreases the mosquito population inside our home. Another thing, whenever you are traveling to malaria endemic zone, that is Sub-Saharan Africa, Southeast Asia, that is Myanmar, Maldives. So at that time, you can take preventive anti-malarial drugs. So these drugs can be taken during the time of travel, before travel, or after coming from your travel. So this is one of the most effective tip which I would like to share from today's video. Another thing, what we should do is we should not allow the collection of the water inside in our vicinity. So if there is any collection of water inside your home or in the society, it should be removed as soon as possible. Another thing, what we can do at our level is to seek medical care. So whenever you have fever during the rainy season, you should always seek medical attention as soon as possible. So by doing all this thing like using insecticide treated nets, use of repellent creams and use of insecticide spraying, with this we can significantly reduce malaria in our society. Consistent use of preventive measures like insecticide treated nets, use of insect repellent creams, anti-malarial prophylaxis, and to seek medical attention as soon as possible. So at Bharati Hospital, we have a special department, infectious disease department. So you can always visit in case there is any fever, any signs and symptoms which is reflecting that you have malaria. So please do visit at our hospital.